Hello and welcome back to JCC Fix It. I'm Jimmy. Today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Jeep Wrangler X. It's got the 4.0 inline six, an automatic transmission, and about 112,000 miles. We're going to be removing the HVAC housing assembly so that we can get to the heater core and the evaporator core. This is going to be just the removal of the HVAC housing assembly itself. I'll have other videos on how to disassemble that housing and remove and replace the heater core and the evaporator core. Those will be coming up. That being said, this does involve removing AC lines, so make sure that you evacuate the system properly before removing or opening any AC lines. Also, along with that, make sure that you're capping off any of the lines. I didn't do that in this video, and that's a bad example, so make sure you're capping off your lines. So first of all, I want to say that these videos are being made for entertainment purposes only. They're not meant to be instructional videos, so make sure that you're following along with safety precautions and procedures that go along with whatever job you're working on. Also, please make sure you like or subscribe down below, or leave a comment if you find any of the videos entertaining or informational. That'll help out a lot. All right, let's get to it. Today we're looking at a 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ with the 4.0 straight six. We're going to be doing the heater core, and since I'm doing the heater core, I'm going to go ahead and do the AC evaporator and the accumulator. So accumulator and the evaporator is right in there with the heater core, so we'll get to that. But the first step I'm doing is evacuating the system. I borrowed this from a friend. I went ahead and removed the doors, and I'm going to remove both seats. The steering wheel's already taken apart because of the ignition that I had an issue with, so I'll be taking the steering column down, the whole entire dash panel, and then we can get to the heater core, which is back in this housing over here. So the glove box is out. You should know how to do that. And then, of course, removing this from the front. So the the heater core lines and the AC lines here. Okay, so during the rest of this process, you want to make sure that the steering wheel doesn't turn. Try to lock it. It only locks in the down position. So if it does lock, it's going to lock down here. And it won't now that the cylinder's out. So we need to remove 4 bolts. All right, so I didn't get this part on film, but you need to remove the ignition interlock cable. It's a very simple procedure, and I'll put a link to a video that shows how to do it. Okay, like I said, when you remove this, you need to make sure that you keep it in a straight alignment like this here. And when you set it down, just make sure that it's not going to move or roll anywhere. So this won't roll, this stays straight. Next, we're going to start removing the bolts that hold the actual assembly in. There's 5 of them. I'm going to try to show you. This is the back of the engine, the dipstick, the wiring harness. Right back here. Okay, we have one bolt on top that holds this drain tube. And once you take this off right here, once you take this plastic piece off, there's another nut under there. So there's really two nuts right there. You got this one up here at the top, right here. You got these two, this one, right underneath the AC lines. This one here, and then this one here, which is on this cable. So you just gotta get that off of there, pull those 5 bolts, okay? And well, six nuts. That and pull backwards on the entire assembly. Get it off the studs, drop it down, and then turn it all rearward like this. The whole there and up and out. Be sure to look out for my future videos of AC housing disassembly and evaporator and heater core replacement. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment below. Once again, thank you for watching.